Hi guys, welcome back to 5ThingsPK. In today's video, I'll be sharing the top 5 web designing apps every designer must try. The best part is that all of these tools are completely no-code, so you don't need to be a programmer to use them. Whether you're just starting your journey in web design or already have some experience, these apps will make the process faster, easier, and more creative. So let's get started. 5. WordPress. At number 5 we have WordPress, which is the most popular website building platform in the world. In fact, more than 40% of all websites online are powered by WordPress. That means chances are, you've already visited hundreds of WordPress websites without even realizing it. The beauty of WordPress lies in its flexibility. You can create literally any kind of site, from a simple blog, to a personal portfolio, to a full-scale online store. WordPress offers thousands of free and paid themes that give your site a professional look instantly. On top of that, plugins allow you to add features like contact forms, SEO tools, membership systems, and even full e-commerce functionality with platforms like WooCommerce. Now, WordPress can feel a little overwhelming in the beginning because there are so many choices and customizations. But once you get the hang of it, you'll find that it's one of the most powerful and versatile tools for web design. And the best part is, you don't need to know any coding at all. 4. Wix. At number 4 we have Wix, which is often considered one of the most beginner-friendly website builders. If you're someone who wants to create a site quickly without worrying about technical details, Wix is an excellent choice. Its drag-and-drop editor makes the design process very visual. You can click, drag, and move around text boxes, images, videos, and buttons until your website looks exactly how you want it. Wix also comes with a huge library of ready-made templates that cover almost every category, from business websites to online shops, to restaurant menus, to personal blogs. Wix even offers an AI-based website generator called Wix ADI. With it, you simply answer a few questions about the kind of site you want, and Wix will automatically design a complete website for you in just minutes. Of course, Wix has some limitations if you're aiming for very advanced customization, but for beginners and small businesses, it's one of the fastest ways to launch a professional website. 3. Figma. At number 3 we have Figma, which is a little different from the others on this list. Unlike Wix or WordPress, Figma doesn't actually publish websites, but it's an incredible design and planning tool for web designers. Think of Figma as your digital sketchpad. Before building your website, you can use Figma to create the entire layout, plan the user experience, and visualize how the website will look. What makes Figma stand out is that it's fully online and collaborative. That means you and your teammates can work on the same design at the same time, seeing each other's changes instantly, almost like Google Docs but for design. It's also completely free to get started, which makes it a must-have tool for students, freelancers, or small teams. Even though you can't directly publish websites with Figma, it plays a vital role in the web design process because it allows you to prepare a perfect blueprint before you move on to building your site in tools like Webflow or WordPress. 2. Canva. Coming in at number 2 is Canva. Most of us already know Canva as a popular graphic design platform, but many people don't realize that Canva also offers website creation features. If you need something quick, simple, and beautiful, Canva is one of the best choices. You can design stylish one-page websites, portfolios, business pages, or landing pages in just a few minutes. Canva's templates are modern, clean, and optimized for both desktop and mobile, so your site looks great everywhere. And just like with its graphic design features, you don't need to be a designer to make your website look professional. Of course, Canva's website builder has limitations. It's best suited for small, lightweight projects, and it doesn't offer the advanced functionality of WordPress or Webflow. But for anyone who needs a quick personal site, a project portfolio, or a simple event page, Canva is an incredibly convenient tool that delivers results fast. 1. Webflow. Finally, at number 1, we have Webflow, which is often considered the ultimate no-code tool for professional web design. Webflow allows you to design websites visually using drag and drop, but what makes it unique is that it writes clean code in the background. That means your design isn't just a template, it's a fully coded responsive website. Webflow gives you an enormous amount of creative freedom. You can add animations, transitions, and interactive elements that make your site stand out. Unlike Wix or Canva, Webflow is built for designers who want total control over their projects without learning to code. Now, I will admit, Webflow does have a learning curve. At first it can feel more complicated than something like Wix, but once you invest the time to learn it, you'll realize that it's one of the most powerful no-code platforms available today. Many freelancers, agencies, and businesses are switching to Webflow because it provides professional results while still keeping everything in a no-code environment. So those were my top 5 web designing apps every designer must try. To quickly recap, at number 5 we had WordPress, number 4 was Wix, number 3 was Figma, number 2 was Canva, and at number 1 we had Webflow. Each of these apps makes web design easier and more accessible, even for people with zero coding knowledge. If you're a beginner, tools like Wix and Canva are a great starting point. If you want flexibility, WordPress is perfect. If you want to design layouts and collaborate, Figma is a must. And if you want the power of professional websites without coding, Webflow is the tool to learn. Which of these tools have you used, and which one do you think is the best? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to 5ThingsPK for more awesome top 5 videos.